Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the system cooling policy in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. In the Run dialog box, type powercfg.cpl and press Enter. This action will launch the Power Options window. Next, locate the power plan for which you want to modify the cooling policy. Click on the link that says Change Plan Settings. Within the Edit Plan Settings window, select the option for Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings window, expand the Processor Power Management section. Here, you will find two key settings, Maximum Processor State and Minimum Processor State. By adjusting these values, you can influence your system's cooling behavior. For instance, you can control at what processor load the system begins to actively cool, and at what point it can reduce cooling. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.